like a king who's on a budget. 3 tasty options, fries, drink, and nuggets, all for $5. Wait, that can't be right. Just confirm that that's the real price. 2 full meals, $5.99 each. Whopper Royal Crispy, 2 fries, 2 drinks. Double them up or mix and match. Whatever you want, we're into that. $5 your way, I rule this day. Nuggets, fries, drink, bars just been raised. Add Whopper Jr. or something new. A barbecue bacon Jr. just for you. Marinara, mozzarella. Look at this Royal Crispy fella. Sauce and cheese, crispy chicken. Italian Royal is what I'm picking. Chicken, 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 chicken. Italian spicy bacon chicken. Take one bite and it all starts clicking. Crown up my day. Toasted bun and tasty royal sauce. Got me buzzing, I'm the royal boss. Sauce it up and top it with Moz. Chicken my way. Whopper, 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 Whopper. Junior, double, triple Whopper. Flame grill taste with perfect toppers. I rule this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup. It's okay if I don't want that Impossible or bacon Whopper. Any Whopper my way. Season the day at BK. Have it your way.
What the hell?
Oh my God! Oh hell no!
Oh my God! No way!
Wanted me, I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you wanted me. What you do? What you do? Made a move, could've made a move. If I knew, I'd be with you. Is it too late to pursue? I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit. Kinda mad that I didn't take a stab at it. Thought you were too good for me, my dear. Never gave me time of day, my dear. It's okay, things happen for reasons that I think are sure. Yeah, I wish I knew.
Rum diddly dum dum, rum diddly dum dum dum. Rum diddly dum dum, rum diddly dum dum, rum diddly dum dum dum.
Hi everyone, I know